Top 5 Digicel Rising Star winners. Where are they now? Winston Cavan Lewis rose to fame when he became Digicel Rising Star first winner in 2004. Fast forward to 2022, Winston is now working in the tourism industry. In an interview with the Star newspaper, Winston said,
"Sometimes it flash across me mind and me think, what if I did enter in 2006 or 2007 when I get the cash prize and the competition did big. But for me, I find rest in the fact that I'm the first winner and everything started with me. If the show never good from 2004, then those other years with the cash prizes wouldn't have been. If it wasn't a success back then, we couldn't have talked about Rising Stars today, 16 years later. I played a very big part in that."
Christopher Martin, Digicel Rising Stars 2005 winner. Martin went on to have a hit single on the charts in Jamaica. He began to travel and perform internationally. Recently he delivered a high-energy performance at the 2022 Reggae Sumfest where he did an excellent performance. He continues to make his mark, has multiple songs that continue to do well on streaming platforms such as Spotify, Tidal and Apple Music. Some of his most popular songs are Chill Spot, You'll Never Find and Take My Love.
Next up is Romain Virgo, Digicel Rising Stars 2007 winner. Virgo became well known both locally and globally. Until this point, he has delivered 3 full-length studio collections. Named Romain Virgo, which was delivered in 2010. He delivered his subsequent collection, The System, in 2012 and it was number 6 on the Billboard Reggae Albums Outline. His 2015 EP, Lifted, slowed down at number 7 on the outline. The most recent was 2018's Lovesick, which bested the Billboard graph. Virgo is presently on a reggae summer visit and will venture to every part of the worldwide waters to the United States and Belgium from August 31st to September 2nd.
Dalton Harris, the 2010 Digicel Rising Star winner. The vocalist set course for X Factor, a United Kingdom singing contest where he ruled as champion. Harris has kept on keeping himself pertinent in diversion circles, acquiring the title of Music Maker. Since his twofold triumph, he has delivered numerous collections, with his 2 most famous singles being Cry and The Power of Love, including worldwide vocalist and musician James Arthur. He likewise reported his work in a film form of Richard Maltby Jr. and Richard Shire's Closer Than Ever, a melodic review and 2 demonstrations.